receiving our cheer team here at PSJA Memorial. We're super excited. We're super happy. They are the state champions for 2025 for their fight song. It makes me feel super amazingly proud because now everyone knows at the state level where PSJA Memorial Early College High School is at, where PSJA ISD is at, and where the community of Alamo is at.
We got fight song champions, and once again, we got the bronze prize for top 3 in the state of Texas.
I wish they could see inside my heart so they could see how amazingly proud I am, a proud principal with all their hard work and all their persistence.